So we have to show them here. Kind of trim this side here because I'm running Powerhouse Amuse R1 Titan SON edition, and if I want a flush fitment, it will hit this side here. This side of the exhaust, it will hit it. So okay, let me just show you what I mean. It will hit this side here, including this side here. So I decided to cut this and trim it up to here. And that way, if I place it up here, the exhaust, if I fit it, and it won't catch this thing on fire or what, melt. So yeah, we have to trim this side. Okay. We have our glasses, clear glasses, and a mask in case we inhale something bad for our health.
So guys, we're finishing the house.
Tara!
Para pauwi na tayo.
Oo nga, gabi na lang. See. It's currently sitting at 14K. 14324. Okay, we'll fire it up and show you our kilometers. Runs good. Our kilometers is 2937 when we change our oil, and we're gonna count again for another 5,000 kilometers. And I also did change my spark plugs. If you guys don't know, okay, should be good now. Change my spark plugs here. It's the old one, just to show you that I did it. I'm gonna explain in the next video why I did not show you the whole process. That's my old plugs. I changed the whole 6. This one doesn't look bad though. Anyway, Yeah. We're here at the private meet. We have 6 GRZ. So again, this is what it looks like when you don't have the TRD kit. Looks like this. Compared to this. So we're giving him a hard time by letting him out without us moving our car. It's so funny. Going through here, it should be right in there. Right above. So you are able to do this by simply like holding through this tab right here and other tab right here, and try to pull them downwards, and it should pop right out. Before you do that, make sure that you see this logo down here which says sound control. That's right. If you find the sound control sticker emblem there or label, that's your fake engine noise modem is, or whatever you call this device. Anyway, just stick your 2 fingers on this side and try to pull them downwards. You should be able to get rid of that fake engine noise sound. So yeah. That's a wrap for 2023 and hello 2024. And it's been a blast. The life of us has been interesting for the past few months. We have our new kid, and I'm also thinking of selling the Forerunner, but I'm still debating if I'm gonna do it or not, due to another project and surprise for you guys. I hope that you enjoy this content with my 86 Forerunner and some new cars that's coming in the channel. And we do have a surprise for you guys this coming few days, maybe months from now. I can't promise it because I have a kid. And yeah, hope you enjoy this journey of us. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next one.